Hello there. Happy Monday. We're coming up on the holidays pretty quickly. And so today I want to talk to you about reducing holiday stress by planning ahead and creating space for yourself. Hi, my name is Shiroko Sokitch. I'm the owner of Heart to Heart Medical Center and the author of the book, Healing When It Seems Impossible, 7 Keys to Defy the Odds. And today we're going to talk about holiday stress, but from the angle of really preparing and keeping yourself calm. Now, I'm quite a nerd, and so one of the things that I like to do is to be ready for things by preparing for them or creating space for myself to be able to do things within the time allotted. So, like when I cook, I will prepare all the ingredients so that they're ready, so that when it's time to just prepare or to cook the meal, I have all the ingredients already made or already lined up so that it's easy. You know how when you watch those TV shows about cooking where the chef has always got the onions chopped and the celery and the parsley and all of those things, they're all chopped and they're in little bowls. That's kind of what I do myself. So one thing is to be prepared and to sort of, when you're cooking, same thing, prepare the ingredients that you need in advance so that it's easy for you. Same with gifts and packaging and all of that stuff. If you plan ahead and you create space for the things that you need to get done, then usually it will be easier for those things to get done. Um, Another element of being reducing holiday stress is if you have guests coming or you have a lot of people hanging out with you over the holidays, you need to create a way for yourself to have time to yourself or time with special loved ones so that there's a window for you to breathe, really. You know, if you have a house full of guests, sometimes it's hard to get away from people in order to create space for yourself, but it's very helpful in terms of reducing stress if you don't uh, book yourself for the whole time in terms of not having time for yourself. So make sure you get some time for yourself. Um, the third thing that I would recommend is that you make sure that you keep up on your immune supplements. So I've done a video a couple weeks ago about immune building for this time of year. You should go revisit that and look at what supplements I recommend. But you want to make sure that during this time, especially if you're traveling, you want to make sure that you prepare again and make sure that you have your supplements, that you take the ones that make you feel good and calm and relaxed. And just again, it's all about creating space and energy for yourself in order to feel your best and your calmest. People tend to get sick during the holidays, I think largely one, because they eat foods that aren't particularly the best foods, but also because of the stress and the getting too much together and the emotions of that time of year for so many people. The fourth thing that I would recommend is that in addition to taking your supplements and making sure that you're taking care of your immune system, that you also kind of plan your eating. Now, we all love the holiday treats, and I certainly do, but you want to create like a space again for making sure that you get the healthy foods that you normally need to take for your own health, but then also to give yourself room for some treats. And then again, you don't want to overeat on the treats, so you want to fill up on the healthy foods and then have a little room for some treats. And then again, make sure that you give yourself the right amount of rest. If you need extra supplements for digesting certain things, then do that just to make sure that you're okay with what you need to eat for yourself. So, and then the fifth thing is to make sure that you get enough rest. So if you're a mom and you're, doing all the things on Christmas Eve, getting ready for Christmas Day, or, uh, you know, got a lot of visitors coming and you need to get ready for them and clean the house and all of that stuff, get as much help as you possibly can. One of the things that I've recently figured out for myself is that when I have a lot of people coming over, if I organize the other people to help me and make sure that they know exactly what tasks they need to do, that helps. Now, Of course, for everybody, eventually or at some point, you're going to find that something will fall apart. The best laid plans may fall apart, or something will happen to somebody and you'll have a crisis. So, but if you are prepared in every way possible, then if a crisis arrives, then you will also be able to handle that crisis. So that's how we do it. You know, like if you have everything in chaos and then a crisis arrives, that's a much different thing than if everything's relatively calm and you have yourself taken care of and prepared. And then if you have a crisis, you're ready to handle that crisis because everything else is calm and cool and collected. I hope this helps you enjoy your holidays and any other event that you might be participating in that could be a big deal for you, so that you can enjoy it and so that you can have the best time possible with the people that you love. And I'll look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.